Ready to elevate your website? Let's make it shine with the Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Welcome to a world of possibilities. Envision a sleek logo carousel block seamlessly enhancing your web page. To get started, install and activate the Blockwheels Pro Plugin. Now, let's navigate to the page where the logo carousel block is intended to go. Scroll down to the section where the logo carousel block will be placed. Click on the block holder section and the spotlight plus icon. Then, click the Browse All button to see all available blocks and search for Blockwheels. Locate and click the logo carousel block to add it to the page. Next, click on Media Library to select the logo images. Once you've selected the desired logo, click on Create a New Gallery button. You can add an image caption that can be made visible after adding the caption. Click the Insert Gallery button. Select the block and click the spotlight icon to customize the logo carousel block. Then, click on the carousel drop-down to set slide per view and slide gaps, enable autoplay, pause on hover, define slide speed, and enable infinite loop. Click on the navigation option to customize the navigation controller background and icon color. Click on the pagination drop-down to enable pagination, set the active and normal state color of pagination. Open the image caption drop-down to enable the slide caption. Adjust the text properties as necessary. Choose when the caption should be visible. And set the caption background in font color. Click on the image style drop-down to include a border and define the border color and radius. And with a final flourish, it's time to unveil your masterpiece. Update the page, open it in a new tab, and behold the magic of your logo carousel block. Congratulations! You've just elevated your website to new heights. With the Blockwheels Pro plugin, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity roll and watch your online presence soar.